Welcome to one and all. I am Ganesh, completed ME and MBE. Okay. Today we are discussing about the topic of engines. Okay. Engine. What is meant by engine? Engine. It's heat energy converted into mechanical energy. Okay. Heat energy converted into mechanical energy. How heat will be produced? Okay, the heat will be produced on petrol, diesel, and then gas. This type of fuel will be used after burn, and then heat will be producing after this energy converted into mechanical form. Okay, first engine. Heat engine, heat convert to mechanical. Heat converted into mechanical energy. The heat I will be producing. Before I told, first one, fuels are classified. One is petrol, another one is diesel, third one is gas. These all fuels are burned after will be producing heat. Okay. Next, the fuels burn after energy will be producing. Energy will be producing mechanical. Okay. Next, second topic is engines are classified. Engines are classified. First one, engine classified into two types. One is IC, one more is EC. What is meant by IC and EC? The IC engines means internal combustion. Internal combustion. EC engines means external combustion. Okay, like that. What is the difference? Internal, inside of the cylinder, external, outside of the engine. Okay, this is the difference of engines. We mainly classified into IC engine. IC engine mainly classified into two types. One is SI engine, one more is CI engine. Okay, first classified into engine classified into IC and then EC. IC means internal combustion engine, EC means external combustion engine. Okay. IC engines are classified into two different types. Okay. One is spark ignition. Spark ignition. Second one is compression ignition. Okay. They will be classified into two different types. One is spark ignition, second one is compression ignition. What is the spark ignition engine? The petrol engines, we will attach spark plug. Okay, the air plus fuel mix 9:1 or 19:1 ratio. Okay. 9:1 and 19:1 ratio fuel air mixed carburetor. Then air and fuels comes from engine cylinder. That way spark will be produced, burn the gas after power will be producing. Okay. Next, compression ignition engine. The compression ignition engine has diesel engine. Okay. In this diesel engine, air intake and then compressed air after inject the fuels. Okay, got it? Inject the fuels. That time high compressed air fuel will be sprayed. They burn the fuel. Okay, power will be producing. Okay, CI engine, combustion engine, diesel engines are different classified. Okay, next topics. Third one, parts of the engine. Engine parts. What is the parts? Basically three types. One is engine head. Second one is engine block. Okay, third one is engine bottom. Okay, they have three types of classified. One is engine head, engine block, and then engine bottom. Okay, head of the engine is camshaft and then valve. These are all fixed. Engine block, these parts are connecting on crankshaft and then cylinder, piston rings, HM pin. These all equipments are fixed in the engine block. Next, engine bottom, oil pan. Okay, this oil pan circulating into oil, the heat of the engine absorbed after circulating oil, and then engine will be cooled. This is the basic parts of the three types. In this place, engine inside of the engine is valve, connecting dot, crankshaft, camshaft, pump, oil pump, and then bottom of the part, oil pan. Okay, these all are part of the engine. And then a different classification of engine based on fuels. One is petrol engine, diesel engine, and then gas. Okay, and then cooling system of the engine. Cooling system, do you know? Like the two-wheeler air cooling system.